Ah, you noticed that, did you? Yes, I thought I'd said that fast enough to cover my tracks. Yes, I was in the Hells Angels. Back when I was in the good old US of A, I was kidnapped by the Hells Angels they were on a troop of bikes and chained me and made it their slave T-boy, actually. And we went around Mississippi. Mississippi. It was something like Mississippi, but there was no black people there. Anyway, I was on one of those, back of one of those tricycle Harley Davidsons, and one day the wheels fell off, and they obviously abandoned me because of my bad tea making skills. So I was picked up by the Afro-American Church of the Evangelical Christians, and they actually brought me up, and that's why I've got this American accent, and I sound a bit black, if you pardon the expression. Yeah, Hells Angels, I'll say no more because with death and honor I cannot speak of their name.